Okay. Now, a lot of people ask, what does contamination look like and what do I do about it? Here is one of my plants. You can see it's got mold growing around it. You can see it from the bottom as a nice big spot. But the plant itself is alive and it's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to take this out of the lab, and when I'm done I'll go to the sink and I'll wash this off. I'll even brush it with an old toothbrush just to make sure it's clean, but I'll still plant this because this is a mold that's growing on the nutrient, but it's obviously not hurting the plant. This isn't a plant mold. I don't want it. Now, where did it come from? You can see that it starts at the plant and moves out, which means somewhere when this plant was out of the bottle, or the plant that I took this from had something on it and it started growing from the plant outwards. Now, if I have little dots, if it's trying to grow out here away from the plant, it means it got in maybe when the bottle was cooling or when you took it out of the pressure cooker. Possibly when I opened it, something went in there. But, you know, a spore is either going to come from the plant or it's going to float in the air. And if it comes from the plant, it most of the time has landed on the plate. And then I picked it up when I was cutting it, even though I was using alcohol. Here's another one. Don't know if you can see it, but it's a little fuzzy in there. Can you see that? You know, that's just enough fuzz to, you know, tell me that I've got, you know, a little contamination. This also is pretty good. I'll wash this and plant it anyway, but I'm not going to keep it in my lab.